ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Solve by substitution method. Solve 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Solve by substitution method. This is question number 3. Solve by substitution method. This is the question. In order to see that whether the given pair of equations represent intersecting lines or not, what is the condition? A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 we have to find. After finding the values, we have to compare. If they are equal, if the 3 are equal, if the 2 are equal, as per that we have to conclude. First, let me write the equation. 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0, call it as 1. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0, call it as 2. Now, what is A1 by A2? 3 by 1 is equal to 3. What is B1 by B2? Minus 5 by minus 1, which is 5. They are unequal, therefore they are not equal. We can say that solution is possible. Solution is possible. What kind of solution is possible? Unique. So we have to go by substitution method. For that, what I do, from the second equation, from 2, I will write the value of y. X plus 1 is equal to y. Am I right? Substitute y in 1. Substitute y is equal to x plus 1 in first equation. This is first equation. What do you get? 3x minus 5y into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Have you all understood this or not? 3x minus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So, we have replaced y value exactly here. After simplification, 3x minus 5x minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. What is 3x minus 5x? Minus 2x. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 2x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 2, minus 2 is the answer. What is the value of y? X plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. What is the answer now? X equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1 is the answer for the same problem. I will explain the same problem once again. All of you look at the board and copy down the same problem. I will explain this. It is a very important question, 4 marks question.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Take down the problem, just copy down that. (3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1). X minus y is equal to minus 1. You have to solve this by substitution method. That is what is given in the question paper. You have to do it by substitution method only. When the question is given like that, you do it by substitution method. You should be very careful to apply only substitution method. Any other method if you do, they will not allow. Graphical method you can do, but not allowed. Graph is not given. Even if you have graph or you draw the graph and do it, marks will not be given. Elimination method also you can do. You can do by any method, but substitution method only you must use. For that, you take the equations 1 and 2. What is the general form of a linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Convert that into Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is not like that. So, bring minus 1 to left side. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form, you got it. Second equation also same way. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Second equation you got x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. You got the same way. Then a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 1. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 1. So, you got this as 5. Unique solution is possible. How can you say that unique solution is possible? It is formula. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 represent two lines such that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then they represent intersecting lines. They have unique solution. That pair of lines has unique solution. They are consistent lines. Solution possible. Here unique solution is possible. How to find it? By substitution method. Take equation 1, 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1. Equation 2, x minus y equal to minus 1. What is y value? Take y to right side, minus 1 to left side, y is equal to x plus 1. Substitute y is equal to x plus 1 in first equation. Wherever y is there, you write that 3x minus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x minus 5x minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, you get 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. So, x value is obtained. After you get x value, take this x value and substitute where? In y value. You must substitute for y. So, to get y value, you have to substitute x value here. What is x? Minus 2. Y is equal to x plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Therefore, x value is minus 2, y value is equal to minus 1. With that, you have learnt substitution method and elimination method also. In the examination, if it is mentioned substitution method, you have to do it by this way. Suppose in the examination, they will ask you, do it by elimination method. Solve by elimination method. How to do it? So, do not do it by substitution method. I will do it here. All of you look at the board in 2 minutes. So, you have to solve it by elimination method. 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Write it as it is. 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Second equation is x minus y. Multiply it by 3. 3 into second equation gives what? 3x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x and 3x, you can solve it by subtraction. If you subtract it, what happens? It goes off. Minus 5y plus 3y, this becomes plus. Minus 5 plus 3, minus 2y. 1 minus 3, so this is minus 3. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by minus 2, which is minus 1. Followed that? So, by elimination process, what you have eliminated x value, got y value. Substitute in the first equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 plus minus of minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. Therefore, what is the answer? Minus 2 comma minus 1 is the answer for x and y. You can write in the examination like this. X comma y in a ordered pair form is minus 2 comma minus 1. You can do it this way. I hope you all enjoyed learning pair of linear equations by substitution method, by elimination method in the process. All of you be benefited out of this video classes, and do practice all these problems for your forthcoming examinations, which are in the Telangana and AP state in the month of May. And at the same time, take always a paper and pencil, write the problem, look at the solution, pause the video, don't look at the video, just try to do it on your own. By learning this way, you will be benefited out of the learning process. All of you learn the problems by this way and be benefited out of it. And I wish that you all will be benefited out of these video lessons, and at the same time, I request you to join your parents, or to come along with your parents to our Venkana Junior College located in Chintal and Tarnaka, and talk to the counselors, talk to the faculty members, and be benefited out of the teaching programs and teaching of faculty here. Thank you all. I wish you good luck.